welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but I am back finally with another video. Life has just been so busy, but I wanted to show you guys how to use this grape / cherry tomato cutter. If you guys know me and have been following me for a while, you guys know that I also do lunch packing videos on my other channel, Realistic Lunchbox. I will link it up here, and also over on Instagram I share lots of food videos. I know this channel is basically for how-to videos, so I thought I would share with you guys how to use this grape / cherry tomato cutter. I got it off Amazon. I will link it below. But if you did not know, choking is a really big hazard for young children. They recommend that you cut grapes and cherry tomatoes up until age 7. So this is what you do. You just put in your grape right in this little opening. The slicer is up top and on the bottom, so do be careful. You're just gonna set it straight there. And you're gonna just push down, and it slices it vertically into long strips. This way it prevents it from being a choking hazard, for it not to get lodged in your child's throat. So look at these. These are some like massive grapes. I'm gonna do it from another angle here so you can see how it's coming through. And this is very easy to use, and it goes very quickly. That one wasn't lined up super well. I'm trying to show you guys different angles here. You want to make sure it's in the middle so that it goes right, see, right through the middle of the slicer. Just, there you go, just like that. See how that is 4 pretty even pieces. This way, if for some reason it does get lodged in your child's throat, it is much easier to help them navigate it out rather than it just blocking their full airway. So my daughter is actually older than 7, but I still like to cut up her grapes. It just gives me peace of mind. If you guys don't like to or think she's too old, well, too bad. You do you for your family. I get a lot of hate over on the IG for still doing this, but you know what? It's safety. So here it is. These are her grapes. It took me very little time to slice them on up for her. Now I'm just gonna add the rest of her dinner to her plate. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Follow me for more how-to videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.